Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out Bitcoin Cash's price chart, and I have got great news for you. Why? Because I think the current move up is going to continue for quite some time, and I'm going to tell you in a bit why. But first things first, if you remember the last time that we talked about Bitcoin Cash, we were right in here, and the idea was that one way or the other, not to worry, we are looking extremely bullish. But if you care about the short-term price action, then okay, maybe it's best for you to have your eyes on this head and shoulder structure, or potentially an ascending channel that we had right in here. And we said if we get a break of the next line, then okay, we can expect maybe like another move down in like very short term. On the other hand, we said as long as we are not getting a break of this thing, we can expect a continuation of our move up, and thank God the second scenario happened. Now, why do I believe this move is going to continue? Simple reason. In my view, we are having now from this low to about, let's say, probably this high, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave on the upside. This is most likely an A, B, C flat. And pay attention, in this specific 5 wave up, as you can see, we did not take this important high, meaning what? This is actually on a lower degree relative to this 5 wave, and this opens up the doors to having potentially a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up, which on a higher degree might be, if I just go on maybe H1 time frame, there we go, into this wave 3 and 4 and 5, suggesting what? Our move up in Bitcoin Cash, at least for the short term, is going to continue for quite a bit. So as you can see, the recent move on the upside, in my view, does have a lot of very hidden bullish signs in it, and chief among them is the fact that in this phase we did not take this important high. Hence why I'm willing to argue that we are having like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what if I am wrong? Because at any given moment, we should be objective and be able to come up with a bullish and also a bearish count at the same time. So in the interest of that, what if I'm wrong? And from here, we're going to get a strong move down. At that point, I need you to have your eyes on this important low down here, about $590. Why? Because if we get a strong move down, number one, I'm actually going to say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And number two, I do not believe that is going to be a bad sign. Why? Because at that point, you're just going to see me saying, look, in Bitcoin Cash, we are now having, starting from this high and not the highest high, an A, B, C. I'm going to say preferably in form of a running flat structure into wave 2. And once more, well, the overall scenario is the same, meaning what? We are going to hopefully get a massive move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. So one way or the other, we are looking good. And I even have some doubts about whether we are going to get from the current point a move down or not. For now, let's go with the most bullish case, as long as we are not proven otherwise. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Bitcoin Cash. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.